Hello friends, this is Dr. S. Muthukumaravel, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Patrician College of Arts and Science. Welcome to Pandit Nadesan YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about flexible budget part 2. In the sum, they did not mention which is variable cost, fixed cost and semi-variable cost. So first we need to find out which will comes under variable, fixed and semi-variable. Variable means changes occur. Fixed means constant. Semi-variable means some portion fixed and some portion variable. I have already explained flexible budget meaning and basic sum in flexible budget part 1. If you have not seen my previous video, kindly see the basic sum part 1 video. Now we will find out which comes under variable. Material is related to variable and labor also related to variable. Variable overhead also related to variable cost. Next one, fixed overhead related to fixed. Next one, variable expenses related to variable cost. Next one, selling expenses is clearly given 10% fixed. So remaining 90% is variable. So selling expenses related to semi-variable cost. Next one, distribution expenses also mention 20% fixed. So remaining 80% is variable. So this distribution expenses also related to semi-variable cost. Next one, administration expenses. The sum clearly given fixed for all level. So this is related to fixed cost. In this sum, the value given for 10,000 unit and they have asked to find out the production for 8,000 unit and 6,000 unit. We are going to find out in ascending order, that means 6,000 unit, next one 8,000 unit and last one 10,000 unit. I have already explained you in the question. Under variable cost we have material, labor, variable overhead and variable expenses. The same I have written in the answer. In variable cost, per unit is constant. So material is 70 for all unit level. Next one, labor is 25 for all unit level. Next one, variable overhead is 20 for all unit level. Last one, variable expenses is 5 for all unit level. Then multiply per unit into total unit. That means 70 into 6,000. The per unit is 70 and 6,000 is the total unit. So you will get 4,20,000. Next one, 70 into 8,000. You will get 5,60,000. Last one, 70 into 10,000. You will get 7 lakh. Same way for all labor, material, variable overhead and variable expenses. I have multiplied per unit and the total and wrote the answer for variable cost. For example, variable expenses per unit 5 and total unit is 6,000. So 5 into 6,000 you will get 30,000. Next one, 5 into 8,000 you will get 40,000. Last one, 5 into 10,000 you will get 50,000. Next, under fixed cost, fixed overhead administration expenses. In this question, the values given for 10,000 unit. So we will fill that column first. Ten and value is 1 lakh. Next one 5. The value is 50,000. Amount is constant for fixed cost. So I am writing amount for all the unit. Then how to find out the per unit? The formula is total amount divided by total unit. That means 1 lakh divided by 6,000. You will get 16.67. Next one 1 lakh divided by 8,000. You will get 12.5. This one 50,000 divided by 6,000. You will get 8.33. Next one 50,000 divided by 8,000. You will get 6.25 per unit for 8,000 unit. Next is semi-variable cost. Under semi-variable cost, first we have selling expenses. 10% is fixed. So remaining 90% is variable. Fill the 10,000 column. Per unit is 13 rupees for fixed as well as variable. How to find out per unit for fixed is 13 into 10%. You will get 1.3. Next one 13 into 90%. This is for variable. You will get 11.7. For fixed amount is constant for all unit. So 1.3 into 10,000. You will get 13,000. Already told fixed cost is amount constant. So 13,000 for 8,000 unit and 6,000 unit. Then find out the per unit for 6,000 unit. 13,000 divided by 6,000. You will get 2.17 per unit for 6,000 unit. Next one 13,000 divided by 8,000. You will get 1.63 for 8,000 unit. Next one variable. The per unit constant. So 11.7 is common for all unit. Then find out the total. 11.7 into 10,000 unit, you will get 1,17,000. This is for 10,000 unit. Next one, 11.7 into 6,000. You will get 70,200. This is for 6,000 unit. Next one, 11.7 into 8,000 unit. You will get 93,600. Next is distribution expenses. The sum given 20% is fixed. Then remaining 80% is variable. Fill the 10,000 column as we did in the selling expenses. The sum given 7 rupees. 7 into 20%. You will get 1.4. This is for fixed. Next one, 7 into 80%. 5.6. First you multiply 1.4 into 10,000. You will get 14,000. Next one, 5.6 into 10,000. You will get 56,000. This is for 10,000 unit. First one fixed, the amount constant. So 14,000 for all unit. Then find out the per unit. 14,000 divided by 6,000. $2.33. Next one, 14,000 divided by 8,000. You will get 1.75 per unit for 8,000. Next one, variable, per unit is constant. This sum is 5.6 for all level. How to find out the total? 5.6 into 6,000. You will get 33,600. Next one, 5.6 into 8,000. You will get 44,800. Then calculate column wise total for per unit and total for 6,000, 8,000 and 10,000. For 6,000, you will get the per unit value is 166.8. Total value is 10,800,000. For 8,000, you will get per unit total is 159.43 and total value 12,75,400. The last one, for 10,000, you will get per unit value 155 and total is 15,50,000. That's all. We have found out values for flexible budget. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe.